Rossi babes, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will show you how to master the string pull technique using Your Muse gel polish kit, which contains 6 beautiful pinky shades of gel polish. We will start our manicure by properly prepping the nail plate. Gently push back cuticles and buff the shine from the surface of the natural nail. Cleanse your nails of any extra debris. Apply the base coat as neatly and carefully as you can. Remember, make the layer as thin as possible. Unlike normal nail polish, the gel will not set unless placed under a LED or UV lamp. So, take your time to apply it, then cure for 30 seconds in Rossi LED nail lamp. We recommend rolling the bottle between 2 hands, as this will often allow a more even application. Using the chosen color, paint carefully and do not load the brush too heavily, as the gel could flood the cuticle or lift easily after curing. Use thin layers. Gel polish has a slightly different consistency than most nail polishes, which means you do not need as much gel polish on your brush as you would with regular nail polish. Do not touch the nails in between layers, as there will be a sticky residue on the surface that will allow each layer to stick to the next. After you are done painting the first coat of color, cure for 30 seconds in Rossi LED nail lamp. Paint another thin layer of gel polish color, and do not cure yet. Now, you will need a sewing string or a thread. Choose your color first and make sure the string is coated in gel. Use the brush to cover it completely. Arrange the string on the nail and slowly pull downward. This is a fun, unique, and easy way to make nail art that looks professional. Leave a clean space at the end of the string so you have somewhere to hold it. You can alternate 2 colors or create your own pattern with multiple colors. Have fun and experiment with different loops and swirls. Once you are happy with the application, place your fingers in the Rossi LED nail lamp and cure for 60 seconds. Protect your art with a final layer of Rossi top coat and cure. This will leave the nails with a highly glossy shine. Use a cuticle oil daily. This will prevent the cuticle from drying out and cracking, which can cause lifting. Thanks for watching! We're always here for a product that makes creating cool nail art insanely easy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more weekly tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Stay home, stay safe.